Every single morning, millions of adults over the age of 50 slice a fresh banana into their oatmeal, or pour themselves a large glass of orange juice. You consume these fruits believing they are the ultimate symbols of health. They are natural, packed with vitamins, and endorsed by decades of outdated dietary advice. But what if clinical data showed that these exact daily habits are silently pushing your aging kidneys toward irreversible failure? According to modern nephrology, kidney decline does not happen overnight. It is a slow, silent erosion of biological balance. Over 30 million people are currently walking around with early-stage chronic kidney disease, and nearly 90% of them have absolutely no idea. You might feel perfectly fine, but inside, your filtration system is suffocating. As your kidney filtration rate naturally declines with age, the heavy mineral load found in common, so-called healthy fruits becomes a silent biological threat. Here at Apex Longevity, our mission is to provide you with the exact clinical blueprints to optimize your biology and extend your health span. In today's protocol, we are exposing the everyday foods that are quietly destroying your nephrons and revealing the precise 4 cellular repair fruits scientifically proven to flush out toxins, lower your creatinine levels, and actively rebuild your kidney function while you sleep. To understand how to repair your kidneys, you must first understand how you are currently damaging them. Think of your kidneys as 2 high-performance microscopic filtration plants. Inside each kidney are about 1 million tiny filtering units called nephrons. When you are young, blood flows through them effortlessly, and toxins are flushed out through your urine. But over decades of processing processed foods, high blood pressure, and hidden sugars, these nephrons become scarred. They start to die off, one by one. As they die, residue builds up in your bloodstream. That toxic residue is measured in your lab results as creatinine. The terrifying reality is this: by the time a doctor tells you your creatinine is a little high, you have already lost nearly 50% of your kidney function. Half of your natural filtration power is gone, and your body will try to warn you. Do you notice a persistent metallic taste in your mouth? Do you wake up with subtle puffiness around your eyes, or experience a heavy, swollen feeling in your ankles by the late afternoon? These are not normal signs of aging. They are your kidneys crying out for help. The danger lies in a paradox. In a healthy body, minerals like potassium and phosphorus are essential. But in a body with weakened nephrons, the heavy potassium found in bananas, melons, avocados, and oranges cannot be processed. It gets trapped in your bloodstream. Excess potassium acts like an electrical storm waiting to strike, capable of triggering life-threatening heart arrhythmias. Meanwhile, excess phosphorus binds to calcium, turning your flexible blood vessels into stiff, brittle pipes. You cannot feel this happening, but you can stop it. Let's break down the 4 specific fruits engineered by nature to reverse this cellular damage. Agent number 1, the apple protocol. Apples are incredibly low in potassium, making them universally safe, but their real clinical power lies in a concept known as the gut-kidney axis. Every apple peel contains a highly concentrated soluble fiber called pectin. When consumed, pectin acts like a biological magnet inside your digestive tract. Instead of forcing your weak kidneys to filter toxins out of your blood, pectin binds to heavy phosphorus and nitrogen waste right inside your intestines, trapping them before they can even enter your bloodstream. It then safely carries these toxins out of your body through your digestive tract. By eating an apple, you are literally giving your kidneys a secondary backup filtration system. Furthermore, the skin is packed with quercetin, a compound that stabilizes the vascular lining of your kidneys. But remember the clinical rule. Peeling the apple destroys 80% of this protocol's effectiveness. The medicine is in the skin. Agent number 2, blueberries. These are not just fruits, they are microscopic bodyguards for your renal system. Blueberries are famous for their antioxidants, but in the context of longevity, we are looking at a specific compound, anthocyanins. Clinical studies show these natural blue pigments are one of the few compounds capable of crossing the blood-kidney barrier directly. Once inside the kidney tissue, they neutralize oxidative stress and reduce inflammatory markers by up to 47%. But they do something even more crucial. Blueberries naturally boost nitric oxide production. This forces the microscopic blood vessels inside your kidneys to relax and widen, lowering the internal blood pressure of your renal system. When the pressure drops, your kidneys can finally rest and process waste efficiently. Agent number 3, red grapes. This is where active cellular repair begins. The dark, thick skin of red and purple grapes contains a powerful bioactive compound called resveratrol. When you consume resveratrol, it enters your cells and flips an internal genetic switch, activating a longevity protein called SIRT1. This protein is a survival mechanism. It commands your damaged kidney cells to repair their own DNA and halt the cellular aging process. Research published in nephrology journals indicates that consistent resveratrol intake can improve kidney filtration rates significantly over a 6-month period. However, precision is required. Grapes contain natural sugars. Overeating them will spike your glucose and cause more damage. The clinical dose is 15 to 20 dark grapes, eaten alongside a protein or healthy fat to stabilize insulin. Agent number 4, pineapple. While most tropical fruits are dangerous for compromised kidneys, pineapple is the rare exception. It is incredibly low in potassium, but its true biological value is found in its core. Pineapple contains bromelain, a unique, highly aggressive therapeutic enzyme. As kidney disease progresses, your body builds up scar tissue inside the kidneys, a process called fibrosis. Bromelain acts as a biological cleaner, literally dissolving the inflammatory protein debris and fibrin that clogs your kidney tissue. It operates as a natural, gentle diuretic, encouraging a healthy, balanced urine flow. This helps eliminate toxins and excess trapped fluids without the harsh, dehydrating side effects of pharmaceutical diuretics. You will notice less bloating and a return of your physical energy simply because your body is no longer fighting a backlog of toxic waste. Knowing these 4 cellular repair agents is only half the equation. Execution is the difference between decline and recovery. If you want to stabilize your creatinine, you must integrate these compounds strategically. Here is your official Apex Kidney Rotation Protocol. Mondays and Thursdays, consume 1 medium apple with the peel intact. Eat it slowly after a meal to prevent any glucose fluctuations. Tuesdays and Fridays, consume half a cup of fresh or frozen blueberries. Do not mix them with high phosphorus dairy like cow's milk. Use almond or coconut milk instead. Wednesdays, eat a strict portion of 15 to 20 dark red or purple grapes. Ensure they have seeds if possible, as the seeds contain additional vascular protectors. Weekends, consume half a cup of fresh, raw pineapple, ensuring you include the tough, fibrous core where the bromelain enzyme lives. Canned pineapple has been pasteurized and the heat destroys the enzyme, so it must be fresh. Your aging body is incredibly resilient. Your kidneys are biologically designed to heal, to regenerate, and to filter efficiently for decades, but only if you stop forcing them to process the wrong materials. Implement the Apex Kidney Rotation today. Watch how your morning energy stabilizes, how the brain fog lifts, and how your lab numbers begin to shift back into the optimal range. It is time to stop managing your decline and start optimizing your biology. If you found this clinical breakdown valuable, hit the like button right now. It signals the algorithm to share this protocol with others who are silently struggling with kidney decline. Make sure you subscribe to Apex Longevity and turn on notifications so you never miss another biological blueprint. Take absolute control of your health, stay disciplined, and we will see you in the next protocol.